finger strikes, knee strikes, and headbutts.
Thank you, Poonam ma'am. Now I'll give a few lines about Japan history. The historical origin of Japanese martial arts can be found in the warrior tradition of samurai, and the caste system that restricted the use of weapons by members of the non-warrior classes. Originally, samurai were expected to be proficient in many weapons as well as unarmed combat and attain the highest possible mastery of combat skills for the purpose of glorifying either themselves or their trustee. Over time, there was a trend away from traditional purpose to philosophy of coupling spiritual goals by the striving to perfect their martial skills. Now, there are many benefits of martial arts, like physical and mental. Physical health benefits of martial arts. Cardiovascular health, meeting the physical activity guidance of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention can be difficult. Muscular tone, weight loss, reflection, mobility, strength and power, flexibility, etc.
Mental health benefits of martial arts are discipline, focus, boost mental strength, help with a goal setting, increase confidence and self-esteem, release your anger, mindfulness, learning to go with the flow of life. I'm glad to introduce Daichi martial arts. Daichi martial arts. Daichi is a compound modified phrase of a Japanese origin meaning number one. Daichi Martial Arts Academy India was started by Sensei K.D. Pawar sir, fourth time in 1992 in Pune with the mission of spreading the mental, physical and spiritual fitness through the art of karate. The institute of registered under Charitable Trust Act will have total 35 plus years experience in martial arts with more than 50 black belts are associated with us. We train more than 5,000 students in karate. We recognized as India head affiliation from Japan Karate Dorobukai, which is currently appearance in more than 20 countries. Till now, we have organized our school and district level karate championship in Pune. Daiichi students have performed in district, state and national level championship, which include gold medals in the black belts category as well. The institute has won the many trophies with the highest number of gold medals in championship. Daiichi Martial Arts Academy India has conducting many self-defense awareness workshops and training workshops for the students in school across Pune. Our institutes have attend special training weapons camps in Mumbai by Sensei Humabod in 7-time black belts in karate and judo.
Like as I already said, we have affiliation with the JKR. Japan Karate Dorobukai is an international karate organization under the leadership of Yashiro Konishi. He is the 10th son of organization founder Yashiro Konishi. It has branches in more than 20 countries under the guidance of Kiyoshi Yamazaki. He is the international director and chief instructor. The style of karate taught by JKR is Shindo Jiren Ryo, which was established by Yashiro Konishi. Now we will start our demonstration. So first we will request our group. We will start with Bo. Karate contains a lot of Japanese etiquettes and culture. One of the most important thing is Bo, commonly known as Ri. The word Ri comes from Japanese word Ri, which means respect, courtesy, manners. After this Bo, we will perform stances. stances in karate is mainly concerned with the position of lower part of the body. Powerful, fast, accurate, and smoothly executed techniques can be performed only from a strong and stable base. Now we'll start with stances. Hip stance. Take punching stance. Fight stance. Horse stance. Cat stance. Niko Shidachi. After this successful stances, we are move on to now blocks, which is called UK. Blocks are used to define against arm and leg attacks towards any part of the body. They are used as a defensive tool in order to stop an opponent's attack. Hip stance. Down block. Chest block. Up. Down Jujoke. Up. Double Shitoke. Face. Close and Uchioke. Now after this, they will show block combinations. And fast movements. Let's go, open up, start. After this wonderful combinations of blocks, they will perform now hits, or we can also say strike. Hand strikes make a fast combination of strikes which can be leave an opponent surprised and unable to defend himself. Hip stance. Yurekan. Nukite. Back MP. Front MP. Double punch. Inner chop. Palm hit. Wrist hit. Now same hits they will perform in a fast movement. Start. After this powerful hits, we are moving on to kicks or geri. The kick plays a huge role in overall speed because it provides 4 important functions depending on the strength and fitness level of the legs and the ankle flexibility. It creates force. Kicks are generally used to keep an opponent at a distance, surprise them with their range, and inflict large damage. Let's go. Open up. Ready? Start. After this wonderful kick combination, we are going to perform kata. Kata is a form of unique essential exercise
involving a series of hand and foot techniques of punches and kicks. It helps fine-tune karateka's body mechanics, including muscles memory, need to execute martial arts techniques properly. Let's go. Open up. Ready? Start. Next. Let's go. Open up. Ready? Start. After this successful blocks and powerful performed by kata, we are moving on to self-defense. Like we all know this, like karate martial arts, the self-defense is most important in this art. Self-defense techniques taught not only allows teens to defend themselves against physical attacks, it also has diverse benefits for students in their everyday lives. It helps to prepare you for unexpected situations. First group. Let's go. Open up. Now this act, self-defense, will be performed by Anjali ma'am, Harsh sir, Prathamesh sir. Ready? Start. Next act will be group fight. Let's go. Open up. This group fight will be performing by Sonal ma'am, Nivedita ma'am, Sakshi ma'am. Ready? Start. After this act, self-defense. Let's go. Open up. This act will be performed by Samruddhi ma'am and Prathamesh sir. Ready? Start. After this act, we are trying to show like if knife attack happened, so how you have to deal with that knife attack. Let's go. Open up. This act will be performed by Sakshi ma'am and Nivedita ma'am. Ready? Start. After this attack, we will start with women's self-defense. So basically, self-defense means we used in road fights, which is the combination of blocks, kicks, attacks, everything. Let's go. Open up. This act will be performed by Anil sir and Sonal ma'am. Ready? Start. Next. Let's go. Open up. This act will be performed by Nachiket sir and Prathamesh sir. Ready? Start. Next group. Next group, they are going to perform how to defense with sword attack. Bo, open up. This act will perform by Prasad sir and Anil sir. Ready? Start. After this wonderful self-defense techniques, we are moving on to Judo. Judo is a combat game founded by the Japanese. It is a complicated and skillful form of wrestling designed for self-defense without the use of weapon. It was organized and developed by Professor Jigoro Kano in 1882 in Tokyo, Japan. The purpose of judo training is to teach physical and mental discipline through the practice of attacks and defense. Now, they all are going to perform some judo falls. Let's go, open up, side fall, back fall, front, uki me, this falls basically used in street fight. A person fall down from a certain height, still he or she can manage to save from them. After this judo fall, we are moving on to throw. Shoulder throw. Inner sweep. These all are techniques of judo. Front sweep. Stomach throw. After this successful throws, and we are moving to breaking. So in karate, basically there are tile breakings also we have. So we are now going to perform tiles breaking. Move. Breaking is an action where a martial artist uses a striking surface to break one or more objects using the skills gained their art form. Shift this side. Ready? Start. Next, दर्शन कर. We'll start. I will say start. Ready? Start. After this successful breaking performance, we are moving on to yoga. Yoga is a way of living that aims towards a healthy mind in a healthy body. Yoga helps in controlling as individual minds, body, and soul. It helps manage stress and anxiety. It also helps increasing flexibility, muscle strength, and body tone. Yoga builds inner strength. So they will be performing by few asanas. Let's go. Open up. Ready? Sit. The first asana, they are going to perform Akarna Dhanurasana. Start. Down. Relax. Next asana, they are going to perform Chakrasana. Ready? Up. Down. Relax. Now the third asana, they are going to perform Dhanurasana. Get ready. Up. Relax. Now, here they have shown few basic asanas. After doing asanas, we are moving on to Omkar. After this, Omkar is a kind of meditation which keeps your mind fresh, calm. We are moving on to last event, which is known by Mux. Mux is also known as meditation. Mux is a Japanese term of silent meditation. The purpose of the opening Mux is to relax and clear the mind and to allow any cares or anger to drain away before commencing training. Closing Mux is allow for reflection on what has been taught and to calm the mind and body prior to leaving the dojo. Once again, I'll thankful to Konichiwa Pune who gave us this opportunity to perform a karate demonstration over here. Thank you. Thank you so much once again. After this completely demonstration, I would like to thank Konichiwa Pune who gave us this karate demonstration to perform over here. Once again, thank you so much, Konichiwa Pune. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. It was really, really wonderful to see judo, karate, yoga, and meditation. Amazing. Especially, I'm a big fan of judo, so that gives me surprise because I thought it is only karate. But of course, I love karate. But as you say, judo is something like meditation. You don't want to hurt anybody, but you want to just defend yourself. You use your self energy to force it on other people and stop him, right? So thank you so much. I think one thing I want to say, you all of your face are so bright and having some very different energy, which gives us energy. It's amazing, and we are very glad that you come and done this demo. This year being virtual, so you have very less audience. Hopefully next year we will do physical event or the real event, and you will get a much more audience. Definitely we look forward to see you next year too. And beyond that, maybe I would like to invite you for someday on a lecture on this sports, right? On this art, because we have many people who want to learn this, and every month we take opportunity to introduce something related to Japan or something related. It might be art, it might be culture, it might be anything. So maybe my team will get in touch with you and
yes,
come that time. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us for Konichiwa Pune 2021. Thank you, Daiichi team. With me. We'll definitely going to see you next year.
Thank you so much. Definitely.